everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna Vanila. My channel is called Anna Vanila Arts, and I welcome you to this vlog where we can talk about the latest things we've crocheted. I have made a couple of things, some are finished projects, some are unfinished projects, and I would like to share this with you to show you what I've done, what I've made. Maybe this can inspire you to also make something new, something interesting, something special, potentially special. And this is one of the projects I've made. I finished it today. It's a bag made from granny squares. My camera has finished too early. I'm sorry for my unclear picture. Unclear seems to be the video that I'm filming at the moment. I don't know why the camera hasn't recorded at the higher quality level. So I was talking about this beach bag that I've made. As you can see, it's in different colors. One side is different than colors than the other side. It has this really long straps, comfortable straps, and it's comfortable to put on a shoulder, and just being able to go on holiday and enjoy this bag with lots of other things that could go in it, like a towel, maybe sun creams, because this is a season for it. Now it's a season for it, and I absolutely love how it turned out, this bag. If you like how it turned out, please also comment below and tell me what you like about this bag, what you dislike about this bag. Give me some more ideas, please, and I'll see what I can do the best for you and me and for my channel. So it's terrific. I like this bag, and I cannot wait to actually take it and use it this summer. Maybe it would enhance your ability to want to do a bag like this yourself. You're welcome to. And I made a couple more projects with scrunchies. This is a yellow scrunchie which I've knitted. So this is crochet and this is knitted. So the scrunchies are knitted with needles, and as you can see, it's very stretchy. It stretches twice, so it holds a bun, or it holds the hair very well in place. As you can see, when I have a scrunchie at the back, as you can see, it's a crochet scrunchie which I use quite often, and I have two of them, identical too, and I use for ponytails all the time. And this is knitted, and I used only front stitches on the wrong side, on the right side, just front stitches, and it creates this kind of like wavy shape on the wrong side and on the right side, and I think it's fantastic. It's easy to do, it's quick to make. I ran out of color, and I thought to add a bit of proper color here with green, as you can see, so that with some green eyeliner might look quite nicely, or green, let's say, nail varnish. It will look great. A summery color, yellow and green is just so funky, so fantastic. I absolutely love them. So these are one of my projects that I've made these weeks, and this is another project which I would like to finish it. It needs blocking, but this project really needs finishing. So all I need to do, as you can see, it's like a lace doily. All I need to do is actually knit a bit more. Actually, not knit, crochet, sorry, I get confused between knitting and crochet sometimes. So crochet the bottom, the sides a little bit, and so it would go well with the outfit I'm trying to do. So I've made one side and I made the other side as well, as you can see, identical, two identical ones. And as you can see, it would not require a lot of work to finish this project, and I will certainly finish, wash it, so that I can block it quite nicely, and I can wear something which I like and show you on my channel, on my other channel which I have for try on hauls. And for now, this is what I would like to show you, and there are a lot of other things, but I put them in a washing machine, so they are, you know, not yet ready for show. And there are some other things that I might show you. I'll have a look around and add to this video. So I have found something else I would like to show you, which I've knitted with size 8 needles. So it's quite chunky. It's quite, this is the front, this is a pullover, sweater, jumper. This is at the front. It has big holes, which is very fashionable in these days for the garments that are knitted to actually have huge holes, more for fashion rather than for practical use to keep warm. So something like this is more for fashion rather than keeping you warm, because the holes are so huge. That's why I've decided to use needles size number 8, and this pattern is very easy to knit, very easy to do. I was inspired by Bruno Cucinelli collection of this year, and they have a lot of samples of pullovers on the website, on their website, with big holes, and it's very much on trend right now. And I decided to do with this kind of chunky yarn, chunky needles, and as you can see, it's got a couple of different colors here. I have blocked it to make sure I could then for me to see how it would stretch on me. And all I need to do, this is the front, which I've shown you, this is the back, this is the back. I have actually knitted from scrap yarn that I took from my scrap store, and it's a recycled yarn, so I decided to give it a new life by being into a new garment, and I randomly selected the colors. As you can see, grays and blues and greens are here, and all I need to do now is actually seam to stitch them. So to go around the seam and stitch them, stitch this side with the front side, and for it to be like a chunky pullover, inspired by Cucinelli collection of fashion and of Italian designers. And this is a straight, a stretchy, also a stretchy elasticated stitch at the bottom. I decided to make it so that it will look nice in comparison to this chunky pattern, which is with holes. So if you like this pattern, this stitch, this chunky stitch, for you to make something similar, then write me in the comments please, and I'm going to do a video where I will make a tutorial of this stitch so that you can make a Cucinelli inspired sweater too. So all I needed is to stitch this. This is the neckline, and I also need to do something. I'm thinking about doing sleeves as well. I'm going to see how it will going to turn out. The sleeves, I will also make them with chunky needles and the same yarn, recycled wool. It's a bit spiky, this yarn. It's woolly, but I like it. Obviously I'm not wearing it on the bare skin, I'm wearing it on the top of other clothes, and you don't get the feeling of being scratched by it. So it's quite nice actually to wear something like this over something interesting. You can even choose interesting colors to wear underneath it. It makes transparent feel and look. So this is one of my bigger projects. I've got some other more projects, but I have to find them, I have to select them, I have to do something about them, because I have a lot of projects that I've begun working on them, but I didn't finish them still until now. So I will have to work on them, and then when I finish them I'll show you in a video, in a vlog like this. So hopefully you're going to like them. I am specializing especially with old yarn, with scrap yarn, eco-friendly yarn. So everything is more unique, maybe more special because of what yarns I use, because it's not a lot that I can find in the scrap store in this moment in time. They don't have this kind of yarn so much there like it used to be. So you never know when you find something special at the scrap store. So I always pray to find some yarn for my projects, because I need every single day, and I have to do things every single day so that I'm happy and calm, because knitting and crochet for me is such an important thing. It's like day and night. It's very important for me. Like, I can't spend the day without knitting or crocheting. It's a must. It has to be. It has to happen. So this is one of my unfinished projects. I'll show you when I finish it. I have to do the sleeves and then block it again, and then because this pattern goes back into shape, but when you block it, it kind of arranges itself. As you can see, it's blocked and it's more large now, larger than when I was knitting it because of blocking. And I'm going to finish it and then do another video for you and see how it turns out. On my other channel, Anna Vanila, I wear clothes that I make, so if you want, you can have a look at other clothes that I make and how I wear them, how they look like on me. So maybe I'll show you this jumper when it's finished on my channel, and other projects I'll also show on my channel. On this channel I'm going to show you a lot more these days. I hope you are watching my vlogs, my videos. You can watch my tutorials, which I'll be happy to know that you are interested in my channel, in my videos. Please like, subscribe, and have fun with me. I am Anna Vanila, and see you next time in the next couple of videos, in the next couple of days, weeks, when I'll do a new video. Maybe next week I'll do another video with my newer projects, and I'll tell you about them. For now, I wish you luck in your projects and see you soon in the next video. For now, I love you, sending a lot of love to you, and wish you a lot of working progress and happy progress in your art, creative art, and knitting that you do, crocheting. So see you soon.